Child. Child, one I tell you, respect if you do that, you know.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
The row and the master row.
Yeah, man.
See this when I lay out this by the time the day if you don't have to put it on what I have to do that.
Then you have to come and start from okay.
Cut a row go so you can.
Alright.
Again, once more. Jin. One look fresh. One shave over the thing and it's a trim up, ear flat up.
You know the thing I the key.
See the man. People see the people. Jin shape up. You see me? And everything. And so we have Prince. Yeah, place there. And we have the chef. Delgado. The man, you say the man without shirt.
Yeah, man, you know, I start to wear shirt now, you know, because you don't know. Like what go on, you know, you hear that?
Yeah, they must
I start to wear shirt, man. I worry myself, man. Just, you know, peace out, you know? I start to wear shirt, man.
Yeah, Prince I smile more.
Yeah.
And thing.
Yeah,
you see me? And Jin's trim now and look even 10 years younger and everything. You know, the blessings. You know, the blessing. But yeah, as I mentioned, man, the work I go and see me up on the finishing. See me, so they I give thanks see me to the Almighty and for the support of them and everything. You see me? And so we have the chef here.
Yeah, man, the support, I like the support, you know, because if you never give the support, boy, and I tell you to reach a far, you know.
Yeah, man, I really mean.
You see me? I love support, you see? That one car.
Yeah, the support.
Yeah, man, I think I done fast right now, you know.
Yeah.
Actually support there, you know, the youth there, you see me?
True.
Yeah, man, respect and love and honor, yeah.
And as you talk about that, Delgado,
yeah, man.
I have a donation for you as well, too, you know. Through the same thing, because you say you always a cook and I support the thing for Jin. You see me, I say? And him say, yo, you have to bless up the chef, you know, because the man always did their own Jin for all this time, you see me? So you don't know. More support will come for you because the people them like your vibes and like where you're going with.
Yeah.
And as I say, Jin project is only the starting. So you know, so we are trying to get more support now for Prince so we can start on Prince one next everything.
Next time,
you know, so you see him and the chef, see him in the kitchen and the strength. You see me? So me have $5,000 from H in London. Yeah, $5,000 from H in London. So put on that and check it in general. 5,000 from H. Yeah.
You know, H. Respect in H. That's why I love HBO, you know. That's the station there. Every time I watch a station there. Yeah, man. Respect, you know. Yeah, H. Respect, yeah.
H from London.
Yeah, man. London. Only for London love, yeah. Respect, yeah, H.
You got to
yeah,
say.
man, because you don't know H, you see me?
Yeah.
Like HBO. That's why I love HBO station.
See it there.
Yeah, man. H. Respect, yeah.
And also have Faith. Faith from the UK as well too. $8,000 from Faith. Check it.
8.
Set of 8
Yeah, no,
from
Faith.
Faith.
UK Faith there.
Yeah.
Respect Faith, you know. Come like heaven.
Soul in Canada.
You know, Faith come like heaven. Respect. Yeah.
Yeah.
Respect and love. Yeah, and Mama Faith.
Because she like
Yeah,
how you,
yeah,
she
yeah,
like
man.
how you did a support.
Yeah, man, Mama
Proper
Faith. I
generation.
say all it more support, you know.
Yes,
Why be I tell you Faith come like heaven, you know.
Yeah,
Yeah,
sure.
man, cause more love, yeah.
Yeah,
Respect and honor. Boy, John, you come like heaven. Watch him look up at the sky right now. Look up there. Come like heaven right now, Faith. You know, tell you straight.
Sure.
Yeah, man, respect your Faith.
Yeah,
man.
sure.
No, and
You know what you do for me right now, because next month of my birthday, because I feel like I have something, you know.
Yeah.
Next month, because I don't know if you have a little dream in the Jenna, you see me?
Yeah, yeah.
Respect Faith, you see me?
Alright
Yeah,
then.
man, you see me? Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Faith.
Yeah, Jin.
That's something,
I tell you.
That's something.
I have Jin. You don't know, we have some donation for you as well too.
Yeah.
Same way. And we have also from H as well too.
Yeah. Kuna man.
$10,000. He said this I forgot towards, you know, the work and everything was going material. So that's H, $10,000. Same here from London.
Yeah, H. Only for bless the family, see? Respect every time, you see me? Cause right now, as your car say, it's about help to sort out some things, so I only for love and respect for this, it kind of help out some things, right?
Yeah.
So give thanks.
Up
You
top.
see me? Up top.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
And you have
Only for blessing.
and you have Vernica. It's a Vernica from England as well to the UK.
Yeah.
Check this $12,000 from
Vernica.
Vernica. Yeah.
Yeah, 12. Yeah, Veronica. Only for blessing and only for respect and thanks, you see me? Yeah, only for love. Love what I do right now, cause a good look, you see, brother? Yeah, and to help out a lot right now for start out some things. Yeah, man, Veronica, bless up.
Yeah.
See
yeah.
me?
And you also have Yvette, 3,005 from the
Yeah.
UK, same here. Yvette, 3,005.
Yeah,
You can contribute, same here.
25. Yvette.
Yeah,
Only for thanks, Yvette. Only for blessing. If thanks, feet, you see me?
yeah,
Yeah, man, respect and honor me.
same here. And you have Grace, 3,005 as well too, from Grace.
Yeah,
From the UK, same here.
35. Yeah, grace. Blessings. Love. You see me?
Anna.
Really, only for honor, you see me? Really
Yeah.
appreciate it.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, man.
I also have Kate,
Yeah.
$2,000 from Kate from the UK.
Yeah, Kate. Enough love and respect, you see me? Yeah, only for honor and blessings. Give thanks to everybody. Only for love. You see me? Because Kina right now, the thing are going good, you see me, brother?
Yeah, yeah.
I'm love all the things that, right? You see it? So,
Yeah.
to everybody right now, from the start till now, yeah, man, we only for respect to them, Kina. Because right now, what them do, we really love it and appreciate everybody.
Yeah,
Everyone that turn up and play a part, only for love. You see me?
Sure.
Yes,
Yeah,
man.
man,
I really like it.
blessing. So give thanks to them for
Yeah.
everything. You see me? So you don't know that I always show about the blessing.
Yeah.
And you have man like Prince.
Yeah.
You are the next one now, they must shine the blessings upon next one. Father God, I see now the blessings. So
Really.
as when I say the donation that we get for you, we will put it down towards the materials
Yeah.
and thing. Because we will try to sort out the living condition we are under right now.
Real talk, man.
You see me? So everything. So we have some donation for you as well towards the material. Everything, say, everything will get better and better for you. You see me? So people them are send towards the material
Straight, yeah.
and we're going to put them towards it. You understand? So we'll keep that in the bank for you towards the material.
Yeah, man, till the
So the more
miracle.
donation we can get now in time, the builder will give you an estimate of the materials that we're going to need.
Yeah.
So once we need them, we go to the hardware and get an invoice to know how much we are work with for the start.
True.
You see me? So we have some donation for you.
Yeah.
We have
See him look around me like Gino.
yeah. So we have 13,000 from God's Child in the US.
Let's try.
Yeah. Count that 13,000 from God's Child in the US.
Child, got child. Got child. Boy, I tell you, respect if you do that, you know?
13.
13, yeah.
Alright, so thank Godchild, you can thank her.
Thank Godchild.
Yeah, man. Respect Godchild for that, yeah?
Yeah, man, hold
Yeah, man, roll up a blessing, yeah, Godchild.
Good thing you do for Prince, you hear that?
Boy, Godchild.
Yeah.
Boy, you don't even know where you do Godchild.
Need it.
Need it right now.
Yeah.
Settling nerves right now, Godchild. How we there feel, man? What thing about Godchild?
Yeah. And this is from Big Eyes in the UK. She wanna known as Big Eyes from the UK, $15,000. So count that.
1, 2, 3,
Big eyes, man.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Level up, man.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Yeah.
Big eyes.
Big eyes.
Yeah.
Big up big eyes.
Yeah, man,
All
big
for
eyes.
blessing and all for strength. I love when you deal with the thing for me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let most come true, you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, big eyes, man. Cause John, I'm glad you have eyes to look out for him, you know.
Cooler, man.
Yeah, man, cause John, boy, I tell you, Jaja, look for you have the eyes to look out for him. Respect your big eyes.
Yeah, man.
Look out for him, man. Yeah,
And
man.
you have
Who do you
Prince, you
want?
also have H from London, $10,000
Yeah.
from H from London.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah. So that's H from London. So
Big
it's
up yourself, Ed from London. I love how you deal with the thing for me. Love how you look out for me.
Yeah.
You know, place I've done bill, you see?
yeah,
Hold it for love, Ed.
yeah,
Straight.
Yeah.
straight.
Respect your age.
Yeah, man, hold for blessing, man. You hear
And you
that?
have also have
Real
Lisa.
life.
You have also have Lisa and Roger from the US. 13,500 from Lisa and Roger in the US.
Lisa Raja.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
And the 5. So that's 13,500 from Lisa and Roger in the
So
US.
big up Lisa and Raja. I love how you appreciate and send out donation to me.
Yeah.
When my house done bill and things.
Yeah.
Love how I go on. Love you, bless.
Cooler,
Yeah,
man.
man, Lisa, man. Respect for that, man. Yeah. Donation, yeah. We get the thing
Jaja
done
bless.
right now, you see?
Yeah,
God bless. Hear that?
yeah. I also have
Blessings.
Nurse Susan from the UK. Yeah, hold on. Nurse Susan from the UK. Yeah. This is $8,000. Oh, this $8,000 from Nurse Susan from the UK.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah, Nurse Susan from the
Nurse Susan, big up yourself. I love how you send out donation to me. I make my house have a done deal. I love you for that.
Straight up.
Straight up.
Up top.
Yeah. And you also have Faith, same Faith from the UK. Send towards the material, same way. $17,000 from Faith.
Faith is coming like heaven, man.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
17 from Faith.
Big up yourself, Faith. Love how you send out donation for me when my house done.
Yeah.
I appreciate it a lot.
Straight up.
Yes, man, faith, and you come like heaven, faith. Yeah, man. Respect, yeah. That me I tell you, faith,
Cooler,
man.
man.
See
Bless
that?
up faith.
Bless
Boy, you
up
have faith in him, you know?
Yeah, man.
Faith in everyone, so.
From Faith in
Hold for
everything.
blessing, man.
Only for faith you have, man. That's
Big up
why,
yourself.
man. Yeah.
Faith in
Yeah, man,
everything.
faith, man. Big up, man. Respect, yeah. Mama faith.
Yeah.
Big up, man, yeah.
As I said, I'm going to continue contribute same way.
Yeah.
As I say, so anything we get now, we go put that in the bank towards your materials and things. Because we get the rundown, get an invoice and find out how much the material our cost and everything. So we can know where we start with from there. So as I said, much blessings and give thanks to all of the support of them, people them are donate, and give thanks to the Almighty, CMA, to touch them, for know so them have a heart, CMA, for know so people have really in need, you see me, Ginger in need, you see me, you know, Prince in need, and they'll got a day for them right through the journey, you see me, so the people them will show them maximum respect for the CMA, and know say yo, everything will go alright. So it's only the beginning. So more people say them are gonna reach out. So then I say we're gonna need them to reach out for your CMA Prince. You see me, and towards Gingin CMA, so we can get the thing over and done with. You know, Gingin, you're gonna need stuff, you're gonna need a bed CMA. And you're gonna need for unfinished job as well too. So
yeah man, Walla, big up yourself now, Walla B. A long time you hear your voice, you know. Big up Walla, yeah man, Walla, respect, yeah man, tweet Mikey, just go and big up on yourself too, yeah man, Felicia, big up to you, man. See me?
And to everybody.
Yeah man, Mama have got to,
yeah, woman have got.
Woman have got, big up to you, know. Yeah man, all for respect,
And Faith, Nana, the whole of them.
Yeah man,
big up all of the support of them.
Everyone, bro, God.
Everyone were out there.
Everyone at
will play them part. Thank you all, Shelly, everybody, big up on yourself for the support.
Mikey Flex, big up Mikey Flex.
Mikey Flex,
Who starting boss.
Big up to Mikey Flex.
Only for love, brother.
Only for love and honor.
To everybody, again, only for blessings. Love, honor.
Straight true.
Respect.
Everybody love
Respect on them
bless
things,
keep and guide love on the ground.
Straight that man, yeah man.
Alright, then to God of them say you have to go put on a shirt in the kitchen next before you burn up yourself. You see me?
Yeah, man, I'm gonna get some shirt. I'm gonna line up some shirt for you, because they might not buy shirt, you know. So I'm gonna line up some shirt for you.
Know yourself, man, I have shirt can beat, man. I start with a shirt in the kitchen, man.
Alright then.
Yeah man, you can't get hot still. I trust mostly sun, you know.
Yeah, we know your man, from day one your man not really wear shirts still, you know. From day one we know God.
I put that shirt in the kitchen.
Yeah, weird. You see me, I got to deal with that, so we got to check it and know how much you have. So everything is good in the bag, so you know, so we kickstart the thing and know, so you put towards the material and everything.
Yes, true.
You see me? So Gingin.
Who bro God, man. Holy for blessing, man. You hear that?
Yeah.
To everybody.
Yeah man, give thanks to everyone, man. We send all blessing for man.
Yeah.
Guide and protection every time, man.
Yeah man, respect to everyone too, you know. Yeah man, Walla, respect, yeah. I'm a boss, you know, Walla. So if you have my Walla big clocks, you know. Yeah, Walla, respect, yeah.
Alright then. The people who are going to sign out. They are the good deeds, see me.
Yeah man.
Keen at the end of the place. I'll go and show the blessing and then make the thing done. We're there for them right through the journey, so
Cheer it up.
we're not stop. You see me, it's still a continue. So up top. So big up on yourself. Yeah, all for blessing. Give thanks to the Almighty, because without him it would have possible. You see me, so right through the blessing.
Don't know how we the first chopping, you see? Yeah, the thing line up on, you know. Chop, you know. I'm saying I have on a shirt, but you don't know hot in the feet. So put on a shirt, man, yeah. Keep going in the back right here.
Go on.
Tell him, man, no make it.
So I'm going to come and tell me, man. I put down it, man.
That one kind of people them say,
Yeah, but the people them are say like
they say you never have on a shirt yet.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, man, I didn't hear, man.
This time,
I put on
I
shirt.
put on. Yeah, man, I do. You see me? Only for shirt. I go for a nice shirt and put on.
Man, from New York.
Silly of New York.
Somebody see me and I should say, yo, look weird him have on shirt.
I'm shirt.
Yeah.
I put on my jacket, I'm tight.
I'm no boy.
I put on my shirt. Yeah. Respect, you know, I put on my shirt, people, man. Hold on.
Yeah, I don't know about your man, wear your shirt.
No, man, wear your shirt, brother. Brother, anytime you see boy in a shirt, something must be wrong.
Yes.
You say, what go on? Even if you have a funeral.
And the man in a man.
Take off him shirt, I'm on the field, brother.
A man even cold, you know.
When the man got a funeral, body in the bus, I want him
a
to shirt around his neck. A funeral and come back.
Yeah, man.
I feel shirt around his neck.
The great year of that.
Yeah, man, I wear your shirt, man. A boy that himself.
Hold on,
Yeah.
Look out here. Why yo? Say for man, look come say where the tile is there. We are set.
This is the first row of tiles, Baja.
Yeah, master row, you know?
Master row.
Yeah.
We start from the door.
Yeah.
Master row. Teaching a glide pan tile, what is going on? Like in a moonwalk. Moonwalk, the man there, moonwalk.
Slide down with that shade like this. Slide on, slide on.
Yeah, I'm so tired. Get to some of this stuff.
I probably water. I'm my hand now, my wife. I'm my hand now, water. You only that one cement. You only answer for the box. Water you can't go in anything. That's a way of locking up something. When you pull the box here, blue way I see a sign like that for year locking up.
Pop balance. There's a bigger sound today.
Blow that now?
You want to turn it up. Beer turn one box now. Right? Turn it
Now what
up.
did? That no current again.
That plug in?
No, the wire, your problem.
No man, good man.
Oh.
Yeah man, good.
Oh, plug in,
box
yeah.
have a problem. Go out again. Good man.
You can't cut you out of it. Because I remember I said it about dust and all.
Don't know about this guy. I did this.
That's all I do. Next time I get fire, you know.
Because I can't find a song.
Yo, selector, what about here? Yo, you next to the man song.
Watch out now, you see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kyria Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.